This is question number 7, part 2, 2015. School has 1,000 students, and the following pseudocode. The following pseudocode segment prints the admission numbers from students who attend the school every day in a particular year. So in the pseudocode, we have given n is equal to 0, then we have a while loop. Within the while loop, we are getting their admission numbers and number of days they have attended the school. And if the number of days is 210 only, you are going to print the admission number. And then you increase n by 1. Okay. So let's see how we may put this. We know that we have to start. We have to start. So let me click start. Yes, we will start. Then we have to have n equals 0. N equals 0. Vishmi, your part of answer is correct. But you have to think about the if statement. Vishmi ki if statement එක පොඩ්ඩක් check කරන්න. So I have received now from Taraka, Rashmi and Vishmi. So after that, we have a while loop. That means we have to put up a condition. So let's put up the condition. So this is the condition. Decision. Now within the decision, what we have to check is whether the n is less than 100. Was n is whether n is less than 100. Yes, this is what we need to ask. And then if that is the case, if this condition is true, then you are going to get the input. Input admission number. Then we have to get number of days they have attended the school. We have this. Right. Then we have if condition, if number of days is equal to 210, then we have to print admission number. So we have to have another decision block. In that decision, we have to check whether the number of days is it equal to 210. Yes. If that is the case, if it is yes, we are going to print the admission. If this is equal to 210, if it is yes, you are going to print the admission number. So you are going to print the admission number. If not, nothing will happen. Then we have n equals n plus 1. So here what will happen? We have a decision block here. And the text is if it is yes, then it will come here. It will join here. If not, then it will directly come here. No. Then this one will go back, connects here. And then if this is end, we have to say end. So if this is yes, it will come here. If it is no, then it's the end. Okay, so I got correct answers from Taraka, Rashmika, Vishmi. I think you have to check the if condition. If it is yes only, you are going to print the admission, and no, then you directly go to n equals n plus 1. And I got the correct answer from Lasindu as well. Others, I think you should try to finish it. Okay, Lasindu labels දාලනේ. Yes no labels දාන්න ඕන පුතේ. Condition එකේ if condition එකේ එක පැත්තකට දාලා තියෙනවා. While loop එකේ conditions පැත්තේ දෙකටම labels දාලානේ yes no දෙක ඒ දෙක දාන්න ඕනේ. Note කරගන්න මං ඒ ඔප්පු answer එක. Okay, so that's question number 7. And once you finish taking down, please let me know. I will go to the next one. අපි ළඟ එක කතා කරන්න යනවා පුතේ. පුතාලා ඉවර නම් මට ඒක පෙන්නන්න. Okay, so හරිද පුතේ මම ඊළඟ එකට යන්නද? තව වෙලා වුණාද මේක දාගන්න? ජිමේන්දි පුතේ හරිද ඔයා?
හරි සර්.
හරි. right පුතේ. right. හොඳයි පුතේ අපි එහෙනම් දෙවෙනි කොටසට යමු. දෙවෙනි කොටසේ we have teacher of a class 35 students obtained the student preferences to travel either by train or bus on their annual trip. The following flowchart missing terms labeled A to E represent this scenario. So initially we start and then we have to add the values. So the bus count is A, label A. We have to put the correct label. So what should be A? පුතේ කියන එක මොකක්ද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Train count 0, bus count එහෙනම් ඒකත් මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕනේ? Yes. They should be 0, isn't it? Bus count එකත් 0 වෙන්න ඕනේ. Then student count එක අපි check කරන්න ඕනේ. How many students we have? 35 students. එහෙමනම් මේක මේ preference ගන්න එක මේ loop එක කී සැරයක් run වෙන්න ඕන? 35 සැරයක්. අපි බිඳුවෙන් නම් පටන් ගන්නේ මෙතෙන්ට එන්න ඕනේ ඔව් 35 කියලා. So we should be 35. 35 සැරයක් එනවා. So මේ loop එක ඇතුළේදී 35 සැරය ඇතුළේදී so you are getting student preference. ඒ කියන්නේ බස් එක යන්න කැමතිද ට්‍රේන් එක යන්න කැමතිද preference එක ගන්නවා. Student preference එක බස්ද කියලා අහනවා. ඔව් නම් අපි බස් count එක වැඩි කරනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ මොකද්ද? ඔව් train count එක. So this should be train count. Right? C should be train count. ඊට පස්සේ ස්ටුඩන්ට් කවුන්ට් එක එක්කින් වැඩි වෙනවා. ආපහු යනවා. මේක එළියට එනවා. මෙතනදී චෙක් කරනවා D වැඩි විශාලයිද බස් කවුන්ට් කියලා. ඔව් නම් output train තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක අපි දන්නවා මේක චෙක් කරන්න ඕන train count එකයි bus count එකයි කියලා. එහෙනම් D වෙන්න ඕනේ train count. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ output tour by train මේකෙදී E වෙනවා output tour by bus කියලා. මේක එච්චර අමාරු නැහැ මං හිතන්නේ උත්තර මට එවලා තිබුණේ කීප දෙනයි. ලස්සින්දුගේ උත්තර ටික හරි පුතේ. විශ්මිගේ හරි. රශ්මික එවලා තිබුණා හරි. ඔව්. පුතේ 35 කියලා දැම්ම නම් හරි. එහෙම නැත්නම් total students කියලා කිව්වත් ඒත් හරි. දැන් මෙතන 35 කියන එක වෙනුවට එක්ක 35 එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් total students කියලා. මොකද අපි total students කියන එක ගත්තා උඩි. ඒ දෙකම හරි. හරි. 35 හරි. එහෙම නැත්නම් total student මේ උත්තර දෙකෙන් එකක් තිබුණා. හරි දෙකම නෙමෙයි. දෙකෙන් එකක් අපි ගත්තන හරිය. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ train count හරි. රශ්මිගේ උත්තර ටික හරි පුතේ. තාරකගේ උත්තර ටිකත් හරි පුතේ. good. others Jimendi Chaturya Nilana. I think you should try to get the answer. හොඳයි පුතේ අපි 2015 පේපර් එක ඩිස්කස් කරලා ඉවරයි පුතේ. අපි 2014ට ගියා එක කොටස පුතාලා කරලා තිබුණා. මම එක කොටසේ උත්තර ටික ලබන සතියේ ඩිස්කස් කරනවා. මොකද සමහර චාතුර්ය දුවට කරන්න බැරි වුණා නේද පුතේ? චාතුර්ය කරාද?
නෑ සර්.
නෑ. ආ ඒකින්ද මම මේක කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. සමරික ගත්තොත් මම නිකම් ලකුණු කියන්නම් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඉන්න මම ඩිස්ප්ලේ එකේ දෙන්න චුට්ටකට. මම ඔක්කොම පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. මාක්ස් තියෙනවා 30 ඉඳන් 37 වෙනකම් මම රිලීස් කරේ නෑ මාක්ස්. චාතුර්ය කරලා ඉවරනහම මම රිලීස් කරා නම් චාතුර්ය මට අද පුළුවන් ද කරලා දෙන්න මේක? චාතුර්ය පුතාට මාව ඇහෙනවද? මම චාතුර්යයටම ලින්ක් එක වෙන මේ වන්න. ඒක කොපි කරගන්න මම දැන් ඉවන්න කොපි කරගන්න. කරලා මේ ලින්ක් එක ඉවරලා එවන්න. චාතුර්ය එවුවට පස්සේ මම රිසර්ච් ටික රිලීස් කරන පොතේ. ලකුණු වරදක්ම නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට මීට වඩා ලකුණු සමහර අයට ගන්න තිබුණා කියලා හිතන මගේ හිතනවා හැමෝගෙම ටාගට් එක වෙන්න ඕන අඩු තරමේ 35ට එහා යන්න ඕනේ. පුතාලගේ දැන්ට ලකුණු තියෙන්නේ 30 33 34 35 37 වගේ ගණන්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ළඟ ඉන්නේ පුතේ. මට ඕනේ තව ටිකක් පුෂ් කරන්න. මම වැරදිච්ච උත්තර බැලුවා පුතේ. ඒ වච්චර අමාරු ප්‍රශ්න නෙමෙයි පුතාලා වරද්දලා තියෙන්නේ. So you have to be very careful about this. හොඳයි. අපි 2014 පේපර් එක හැමෝම ගාව තියෙනවද පුතේ? හොඳයි මම එහෙනම් දැන් ෂෙයා කරන්නම් WhatsApp එකේ දානවා පුතේ. එහෙනම් 2014 පේපර් එක ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්නකෝ. පොතේ මම පේපර් එක කෙව්වා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා ඉවරලා මට ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න මම කන්ටිනියු කරන්න. නීලන හරි පේපර් එක හම්බුණාද? හරි පුතේ. right අපි යමු ටක් ගාලා දෙක කොටස මං කිව්වා එක කොටස අපි ලබන සතියේට කල් දානවා ඩිස්කස් කරන්න මං ආන්සර් ලකුණුත් මං එවන්නම් පුතේ. චතුරය ඒවට පස්සේ මම චතුරයට ලින්ක් එක එවුවා පුතේ අද දවස් ඇතුළත කරලා එවන්න. right 2014 දෙක කොටසට යන්න පුතේ. right දෙක කොටසේ පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ පළවෙනි කොටස අපි ප්‍රශ්න 1 2 මතන ඩිස්ප්ලේ වෙනවා. පුතේ මට ටක් ගාලා chat එකේ උත්තර ටික එවන්න අපි ඊට පස්සේ ඩිස්කස් කරමු. First question, it says Lakmal travels around the country to sell computer parts and accessories. After each sale, he enters the sales details into his tablet computer using touchscreen. At the end of the day, he views the total sale data. What is the input device, output device used by Kamal? Yes. Opute? Tarak gave me the correct answer. What is the input device? Yes. Yes, Nilana also gave the correct answer. Yes, it's a touch screen, isn't it? In the tablet, touch screen we use to input. And the output device? Same, right? So both are the same, isn't it? Good. I got the correct answers from Vishmi, Taraka, Lasindu, Nilana. Okay, so let's move on to the second one. Yes. Can you quickly tell me the correct answers matching ones from column A to column B? Maybe we put some names. Let's put this is A, B, C, D. Let's put this is as 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you match these two? So you can answer like, A1, B4, C2, and D1, and so on. Yes. The first one says a service of internet. Second one, a web browser. Third, email software. Fourth, a search engine. Yes, a service of the internet. What is a service? That is World Wide Web, isn't it? So it's a service of the internet. We discuss what is World Wide Web. It's where the all the electronic documents are. So that is a part of the internet. So A to 3 or 1 to 3 internet service www. And a browser. Yes, B browser. So that is Mozilla Firefox. We know that Mozilla Firefox is one of the web browsers. What are the other known browsers? You know that we have Chrome, Google Chrome, we have Edge, we have Safari, we have Opera, and so on. So Mozilla Firefox is the answer for the web browser. Then let's move to fourth one, search engine. When you want to search something, we go for, yes, Google. So that means search engine should be the Google one. And the email software, the remaining one is the Roundcube. So I know that sometimes you might not heard about the Roundcube webmail. It's a email software like Outlook where you can read emails. Okay, so I got the answers from Nilan, Chimindi, Chaturya, Tarak, and Vishmi. Good. Right, let's move on to the third one. It's an easy one, I guess. You have given several network types and you have to select the suitable type A, B, C from wide area network, local area network, and metropolitan area network. I got the answer from Taraka. Good. Yes, how about the others? Lasindo also gave the correct answer. Chaturya, Vishmi. Yes, I think we can start now. So the first one, two or more computers directly within a small well-defined area. We call this is the local area network, especially when the network is limited to a small space, like within a lab, within a school. So we will call it a local area network. A network that connects users across large distance, such as between Colombo and New York. When we create network within countries, then this becomes wide area network that called WAN. So internet is the largest wide area network that we can find. Then the third one, a network that links branches within the city, especially within the limit of 16 kilometers. We usually say the network as metropolitan area network. So I think everybody got the correct answers. I got answer from Jimendi, Lasindu, Chaturya, Vishmi, and Taraka. Nilana, I didn't get the answer from Nilana. Okay, let's move to the fourth one. To get qualified for an award, student in a class must satisfy both the following conditions. Condition 1, must have marks greater than 75% in subject 1. Condition 2, must have marks greater than 75 in either subject 2 or subject 3. So the Boolean values x, y, z are defined as follows. X is true if the student has 75 marks for subject 1. Y is true if the student has marks for subject 2. Said true, the student has marks 70 over 75% marks for subject 3. Write down Boolean expression. Write down Boolean expression using X, Y, Z to represent overall conditions that the student must satisfy the qualify and award. Yes, it should be easy one, isn't it? We know that definitely he has to pass X. So you have X and it should be and, isn't it? Why it's and? Why it is and? Because both subject 1 and either subject 2 or 3. So that means Y O Z. So it should be brackets. Otherwise you won't get this correct answer. So, but if you put in the Boolean expression form, we can say X dot Y plus Z, isn't it? So this should be the correct answer for part A. I got the correct answers from Vishmi and also from Tharka. Now, if you, the next one is you have to draw this. So if it is, let's say X, Y, and then we have Z, we know we have to have O gate between Y and Z. So we have to have O gate. And then we have X that we have to connect it to a AND gate. And this should be the output. So it was not that difficult if you remember the things that we have discussed earlier. Okay, question number 5, convert the hexadecimal number A7B into equivalent binary number. Show your computations. Okay, I need the answer quickly in the chat. I'll give you 1 minute. Yes. Convert hexadecimal number A7B into binary. It's not that difficult. Why you are getting late? Yes. Can you send me the answer in the chat? Okay, I got the answer from Nilana. Okay, I got the answer from Jimendi. Good, answer is correct. Jimendi, Nilana, good, correct answer. Vishmi, yes, your answer is also correct. Good. How about the others? Chaturya, yes, your answer is correct. Good. Yes, what we need is A7 7B. We know that A is 10. That means in binary we have to put 1010. Then 7 is 0111. B is 11, 1011. So the correct answer is 1010, 0111, 1011. Yes, I got the correct answers from Nilana, Jimendi, Vishmi, and Chaturya only. About the others, I didn't get the. Yes. Taraka, what happened? And also Lasindu. I didn't answer from both of you. Okay, next one. Encoding schemes are used to represent characters and symbols within the computers. List two different encoding systems. Yes. Now, conversion of binary, hexadecimal, and octal we have discussed. That's mainly for numbers. Now, when we take characters and symbols, we also need to convert them into binary, right? Why? Because computer understands only binary only. Now, to convert these characters as well as symbols, we have what we call the encoding systems. There are ways to represent characters and symbols to put into binary. So this is we call encoding schemes. So it asks list two different encoding schemes. Okay, I got one answer from Nilana. Yes, good. Jimendi, yes, your answer is correct. It's not code. Jimendi, you need to make the correction for the spellings. Yes, that's the correct one. Good. Yes, make sure that you use correct spelling. Okay, that's yes, Nilana. We need one more. About Taraka. Just wish me. Come on, hurry up. Lasindu. Okay. So there are a couple of things we have discussed. We can use these are characters and symbols, not the numbers. Otherwise, we could have put BCD as well. So they are ASCII. Yes. EBCDIC. We have ASCII. So that is the first one we did. Then EBCDIC. Yes. And then Unicode. Right. So these are the answers. Should be Unicode, isn't it? ASCII uses how many bits? How many characters you can represent in ASCII? Yes, anyone? Okay, Laswindu, how many bits you use to represent a character in ASCII? It should be 7 bits, isn't it? Using 7 bits, you can represent 128 characters. EBCDIC uses 8 bits. You have to remember by heart these. You can represent, yes, 256 characters. So when you need to represent multiple languages, nowadays we are using Unicode. Unicode uses different number of bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, 64 bits, and so on. Right, so that's about the encoding schemes. I got the correct answers only from Nilana, Jimendi, Vishmi, and Chaturya. Okay, seventh one. Yes, I'm getting answers only from Vishmi. Yes, input devices directly, right? It says allow digital images directly. Yes, you can have digital camera, right? Yes, webcam, webcam. You can put directly. Yes, even CCTV, you can use it. Yes, that's also possible. Then two kinds of data storage media. Yes, flash drive, that's possible. CDs, DVDs, even Blu-rays. I got the correct answers from Taraka, Chaturya, and Lasindu, Jimendi, and Vishmi. Yes. So let's move on to the next one. Yes, ask you to put the labels. So this is actually Photoshop. This is quite old paper, but if you remember, I would like to get the names from GIMP. පුතාලේ GIMP වලින් දෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් ගොඩක් හොඳයි. අපි GIMP කරපු නිසා. Yes, the first one. So in GIMP we say it's select free. So it says select free. B, I think you should know B. What is B? Yes, what is B? Yes. Can't see this very clearly. Yes, what is B? It's move tool actually. So B is move tool. How about C? How about C? Yes, wish me. Usually we use lasso tool in Photoshop. So in GIMP we say it's select free. B, yes, it's move tool. Wish me, I got the answers from Wish me. Yes, C is clone tool. Chimen the correct answer. Clone tool. What is D? Anyone? What is D? Yes, we can say blend, or in Photoshop we say gradient. It's blend in GIMP. Photoshop it says gradient tool. Final one easy. What is final one? Anyone? Yes, what is E? So that should be text.